Hello friends, before starting this video I would like to request that please watch complete playlist given in description about what are the career option for civil engineer or what are the business for civil engineer, because after that this video is useful for you, because in this video I will explain which option or which career option or which business is perfect for you. So before that you need to watch complete career list which is already given in description. Now let's come to the point. Basically in this video I will explain that out of that list or out of that career or business option, which career or business is perfect for you. For example, you need to answer 12 questions which is already given on your screen, and I have selected for example a career RCC designer. So if I want to become a RCC designer, so I need to answer this 12 question. The first question is what is the current demand or what are the current demand for this business? My answer is low. Look, your answer should be correct, it should not be fake answer, because you are deciding your career or business. So in that case if you fake, you will face many problems in future. So that's why please answer properly and correctly. So my first answer is for current demand is low as a RCC designer. Next question is future demand, again low. Okay, this answer may vary with your personal opinion. Then next we will talk about competition. I said very high. Okay, now next question is what about earning, how much I will earn from per case. Look, I said for per case, not for monthly or yearly basis. Okay, so it's very important to know that how much amount you will earn for per case or per work. So in this case I answered 5,000 rupees. This answer may vary with your area. Now next question is what about initial investment. I skip or I did not include office setup, so I simply include some very basic investment like books and laptop. So in that case my answer is 50,000 rupees. Now next question is what about subject. You need to note all subjects required to become a successful RCC designer. Okay, so list down all subjects. Then you need to ask one question, that is whether I am interested in this subject or not. Now the next question is what are the educational or qualificational requirement for this business. The answer is, in this case the answer is ME or MTech in structure. Now the next question is after all education and subject interest, what kind of or how much you really need experience for this business or this career. Here in my case answer is 1 year. This answer may vary with your information and your personal opinion. Now next question is do I need any kind of registration to become a RCC designer, legal RCC designer. The answer is yes. If you choose any career, for example we are talking about RCC designer, but if you choose any career, then yes, you need to ask yourself whether do I need any kind of registration for this business or this career or not. Because if the answer is yes, in that case there is another step, and that is you need to collect information about how to register or how to get a legal registration for that career. For example, for RCC designer I have already provided the information in description, but if you you are not able to collect the information from internet, in that case yes, it's your responsibility to collect information how to register for specific career. Okay, if it's mandatory. Now the next question is what about skill requirements. As a RCC designer I have noted here manual designing is very important, software knowledge is very important, but list is not limited to this topic. Actually there are so many other skill, for example communication skill, time management. Okay, then reading the drawing. So basically you need to prepare a detailed list of skills which are required for this business or this career, so that you will be able to decide which skill is very important for you and which at which skill you are weak or strong, so that if you want to become a RCC designer or any career option or a business option, you need to develop or you need to perfect in that skill set. Now the next and last question and very important question is that are there any other better option for this career which I already mentioned, for example RCC designer. I have noted here government job, but look, when you answer alternate option or a better option, in that case you need to prepare same table and answer the same question, because you need to be very clear about your alternate option. So don't write anything in that table or anything in that portion. You need to be very sure about alternate option. But if you are sure that there is no other option better than this career, in that case you can simply say no, I don't have any other better option. Now the half work is done here. Now the final step is that you need to prepare this table, such a table for various career options which are available as a civil engineer. Okay, and then out of that you need to select one or two option. Okay, then simply discuss with your family, friends, and someone expert in this field which option is best for you. Out of this two you will select one. Now look, when you select one option, then you have to focus over that career or that business. Don't confuse between other options. Okay, you have already invested your time, money and efforts in this work, in this process, how to collect or decide a proper career or business. So in that case I will suggest that once you decide this career or this business is best for me, then simply invest your time, money, efforts over progressing in that field or in that subject or in that career. So that's my suggestion. I hope this video will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and yes, please share this video with everyone. Thank you so much.